Okay, let us see. So this is a globe wall. We'll see through slide. The globe wall is suitable for use on a wide variety of applications from flow rate control to open and close operation. Means multiple uses there. You can use it. Remember that we can use the globe wall for flow control as well as for open and close operation. In this type of wall, flow rate control is determined not by the size of the opening in the wall sheet, but rather by the lift of the wall plug. Wall plug किती वर उचलला गेलेला आहे. The distance the wall plug is from the wall sheet. One feature of globe wall is that even if used in partially open position, there is less risk of damage of the wall sheet or wall plug by the fluid than with other types of manual walls. जर हा वॉल हा कुठला बटरफ्लाय वॉल आहे बरोबर आहे. बटरफ्लाय वॉल जर आपण पार्शियली ओपन करायचं ठरवलं तर काय होतं की वॉटर प्रेशर ह्याचं वॉल शीट जातं आणि आपल्याला तो बेकार होऊन जातो. सेम हॅपन्स इन रिस्पेक्ट ऑफ वॉल. But here that kind of risk is not, though we are using it for completely open, completely closed, as well as for the partially opening purpose. Okay, so that is the major advantage of globe wall. Now here other points to consider about globe wall is that the pressure. Other points to be considered about globe wall is that the pressure drop across the wall is greater than that of the many other types of wall because of passageway is S-shaped. I have shown to you the S-shaped passage wall. Okay, then wall operation time is also longer because the wall stem must be turned several times in order to open and close the wall. And this may eventually cause leakage of the gland seal. Then furthermore, care must be taken not to turn the wall shaft too far because there is a possibility it could damage the sitting surface. Okay, हा जो sitting surface आहे हा याला म्हणायचं sitting surface. This is the sitting surface. Which one is the sitting surface? These two are the sitting surfaces. When it is sitting over here, there's a possibility if we are applying more pressure, in that case there is a chance to get the breakage of this. Okay, so what bottom line you will remember in respect of globe wall? Globe wall can be used for the flow control as well as for the completely open and completely closed operation. Okay, the time required for the operation is more as compared to the butterfly wall and ball wall because there is a stem and the threads. We need to take the several rounds, turns to completely open and completely close. Okay, this is the major highlighted points of the globe walls. Now we'll see the next. If you are understood up to this, then we'll see the next. I'm telling simultaneously you can note down in your notebook. Okay, I'm not asking you to note down each and every part, but whatever highlighted points I'm saying, that at least you should note down in your notebook. Now, see, the next one is the gate walls. Okay, it is like a gate and hence it is known as the gate wall. Put the gate down, take the gate up is the gate wall. It is when it is a closed position, you can see here, it is like the, it is in the characteristic of globe wall. For the completely closed, completely open, or for the partial, I think I should understand that part. Okay. So here you can see it is in a completely closed position. That is, that shaft has been kept, that gate has been fixed into the whatever the slot we have prepared. And here it will not be, it is taken up by rotating the wheel, and hence the completely open position is available. You can see here it is in a closed position. This is a hand wheel to control. Okay, then packing gland, then bonnet, then this is known as the gate actually. This is a gate, this is a gate, and this is the complete body of this. Okay, and the direction of flow is this. You can see here. When we are putting down this, it will not allow to flow water. When we are taking up, simply water is flowing without any obstacle. Completely open and completely closed. Let us see about the information about this type of wall in the field. Oops. As the name suggests, a gate wall consists of a simple mechanism called as the gate or the wall disc, which performs the main function of regulating the flow of the fluid. Okay. As the name suggests, the gate wall consists of a simple mechanism called as the gate or the wall disc, which performs the main function of regulating the flow of the fluid. However, it is to note that the gate wall can have only no flow or full flow condition. Remember that. For globe valve, it can be used for completely closed, completely open, as well as for the flow control. But here, the gate wall can be used for the completely closed or completely open condition. It is not that the gate wall can have only no flow or full flow condition, and thus can only be operated in one position. Partial flow साठी gate wall वापरला जात नाही. Ball gate wall, butterfly wall, हे तिन्ही wall partial control साठी वापरले जात नाही. ते तिन्ही fully complete closed and fully open position साठी वापरले जातात. Gate wall is not suitable for operation which requires partially open operation. Okay. And until now, whatever we have studied in that, globe wall is only used for the partially open operation. This wall has the longest operating time. It requires the longest operating time because the multiple threads are there and the distance that wall needs to shut down. इथं ग्लोब वॉल मध्ये बघितलं तर त्याचा ऑपरेटिंग टाइम सुद्धा कमी आहे गेट वॉल पेक्षा. का तर गेट वॉल मध्ये ते गेट कंप्लीट बॉटम पर्यंत आलं पाहिजे. तसं ग्लोब वॉल मध्ये कसं येते की मध्यपर्यंतच यायचं असते. त्यामुळे सो इट रिक्वायर्स अ लेस टाइम, बट इन अ गेट वॉल फॉर ऑपरेशन पर्पज टाइम इज रिक्वायर्ड मोर. ओके, अंडरस्टूड. कोणीतरी बोलत चला, काय समजतंय नाही समजतंय, बंद करायचंय चालू ठेवायचंय, बोलत चला. स्पीक आउट गाइस. समजतंय? ओके, may I move now? Now this is the diaphragm wall. Okay, another type of wall is the diaphragm wall. Now let me check let me show you the figure for the diaphragm wall. See here. This is a closed position. This is a open position. हा डायफ्रॅगम असतो. हा जो आहे तो हा डायफ्रॅगम आहे. याच्यावरचं प्रेशर रिलीज केलं की तो काय होतोय की त्याचा शेप असा बनतोय. When it is changing its shape, it is allowing to flow the shape and will go down here and it will not allow to flow the water. You can see here, simple operation. And operating time as compared to earlier that gate wall is lesser in this type. Though there are here also threads are being used. You can see here. This is a completely closed and this is a completely open. Okay, just look at this figure and then we'll go back to information. हा डायफ्रॅगम आहे. प्रेशर अप्लाय केलं की तो पुश आउट होतो आणि पुश झाला की खाली तो त्याचा शेप असा डायफ्रॅगम आहे. तो डायफ्रॅगम चेंज इट्स अ डायरेक्शन आणि त्याचं प्रेशर रिलीज केलं की इट इज वर्क लाईक अ स्प्रिंग. प्रेशर रिलीज केलं की इट विल कम इट्स अ ओन पोझिशन. Shall I go back to information if you have seen the figure?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Diaphragm walls use a pinching method. Pinch केलं जातं. खटकन खाली खटकन. Pinching method to stop the wall flowing using a flexible diaphragm. They are available in two types, weir and straight way. The most commonly seen of the two is the weir type. This is because the straight way type requires additional stretching of the diaphragm, which can shorten the diaphragm's lifespan. One of the major advantages of using diaphragm wall is that the wall components can be isolated from the process fluid. काय ह्याचा मेजर ऍडव्हान्टेज की वॉल कंपोनंट हा आयसोलेट केला जातो फ्लुइड पासून. यू कॅन सी दिस फिगर. You can see here how it is going to be getting isolated. म्हणजे हा जेव्हा ओपन केला जातो पोझिशन मध्ये तेव्हा खाली वॉटर will flow in its position. But when it is closed, just give me 1 second. Okay. So this way it can be isolated. हा डायफ्रॅगम वर उचलला गेला की काय होतं की खालून पाणी फ्लो होतं. त्यामुळे तो पाण्यापासून आयसोलेट होतो आणि पाण्यापासून आयसोलेट झालं की त्याच्या लाईफ स्पॅन वाढवायला अजून मदत होते. बिकॉज इफ इट इज इन अ वॉटर देयर इज अदर प्रॉब्लेम्स आर देयर, यू नो. Similarly, this construction helps to prevent leakages of the fluid without use of gland seal as seen in other types of walls. Okay. Similarly, this construction helps to prevent the leakages of the fluid without the use of gland seal ॲज सीन इन द, तो डायफ्रॅगम आणि तो फ्लेक्झिबल असतो, त्यामुळे तो जेव्हा पंच होतो त्यावेळेस त्याच्यासाठी काही सील वापरायची गरज नाही की लिकेज अवॉइड करण्यासाठी. On the other hand, the diaphragm becomes worn more easily and regular maintenance is necessary if the valve is used on a regular basis. These types of valves are generally not suited for very high temperature fluids and were mainly used on liquid systems. Okay, that is major drawback. So again, you can remember here, it can be used for the fully closed or fully open operation. And diaphragm is in a flexible nature, where pinching of diaphragm we can done by applying the pressure. And major advantage is diaphragm can be isolated from the fluid when it is not in a loose position, means when it is in a completely open position. Water flow hote ho udhar. So why to bring that into contact with the water? Water च्या contact मध्ये आले की त्याचा lifespan कमी होतो. And major disadvantage, it cannot be used for the high temperature fluids. But for water supply, it can be easily used. Okay. And the next one is the non-return valve. But let me check the time first. I think time is about to, it's over. So let me, sir has already, एक minute, let me check how many walls are remain. Still 2-3 walls are remain. So we'll stop here. We will join in see in the next lecture. So don't leave for 1 minute. Let me take your attendance by taking the snapshots, and then I will ask you to leave the class. Okay, now guys, you can leave and you can join for another lecture. Thank you. Thank you, everybody. Guys, you can leave this class and you can join for the another lecture that is already scheduled in your WhatsApp group.